another one back here. I go through Ray's tree stumps, or that's how we got in here. All right, we're on our way out. Excellent. Well, the camera got really wet, didn't it? Oh, let me make my way out. And I'm going to say you have a good day, all right? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness, man. Whew. That was a little interesting. A little interesting, okay? A little bit. A little bit. A little bit. All right, there it is from afar. There it is. Again. So I guess the question now would be, what would my next journeys be? I don't know, to be honest with you. I'm glad I took this trip. You have a great day. I'll sit here and stare at myself. I'm just kidding. Alright, so, yeah, what are my next journeys going to be? I wanted to go to that, I wanted to look at that dinosaur exhibit at, what was it called? The Academy of Science. I think that's what it was called. Academy of Art and Science or something like that. Some kind of, yeah, I forget. It was somewhere downtown. And, it's supposed to be closing on, 18th and the 19th. So that's sometime this week. This upcoming weekend. I guess I won't be going to it anytime soon or ever. I've been wondering, what does it cost to get in there? Oh, it's a lot. So I'm thinking maybe some other time in this lifetime of mine, or maybe not, you know. But I definitely grew up with dinosaurs. I enjoyed video games like Dino Crisis. I only played the first one though, and I didn't even finish it because that one device died on me. So I was like, oh man, it's terrible. But that's that. Well, you have a good day. So I'm about to go home. Bye.